Hey friends, with the hot weather settling in, it's time for ice cream and popsicles to help cool off. Creamsicles are one of my favorites since I was a child, and orange and white is one of my favorite color combos. It's so fresh and bright. I'm just going to start with the cover page by adding the month and lightening the background, and changing the orange to a more vibrant one. The monthly layout is the aesthetic I want to go for, with a lighter colored background and white behind the areas that you fill in. Now that we have the monthly layout done, we can move on to the monthly reflection. To add the coloring behind the text boxes, I added a square shape in white and moved it to the back and then faded it to 70%. I think it's a nice idea to take a moment to personally reflect on the month that has passed. It gives you time to reflect on the positive that has happened, and a time to reflect on the things that didn't work out, so that you can adjust for the upcoming month. Today we're diving into a fun and vibrant theme: oranges, daisies, and monarch butterflies. It's time for the weekly planner. I have both a one-page weekly and a two-page weekly. I've created them with a Monday start because it feels like the beginning of the week to me. I just have to add a Monday to my page. I wanted to adjust the ivy, but it was all on one branch, and so I had to split it into two. I like the placement better now. I couldn't create a June plan with me last month because I needed to be in charge at the flower shop that I work at. I'm still running behind though because I just got finished filling in and I'm worn out. So this month I'm updating a monthly spread that I've already created about a year ago. The inspiration behind this theme is actually the creamsicle. This setup is all about blending the freshness of oranges with the nostalgia of creamy creamsicles. My goal today is to create a cohesive and eye-catching planner spread that captures the essence of both colors harmoniously. I also have an alternative July layout which came from my May plan with me. If you're interested, you can watch this video too. I will put the link in the description. Now on to the two-page weekly. After I designed them, I thought it would be cool to use a one-week spread on a lighter week and a two-page spread for busy weeks. I'm going to remove the individual boxes I had and replace it with one large box that I've been using. I also want to reduce the size of the wording and bring the two words together. I'm just going to add in some more daisies and oranges and ivy, but I'm using the individual leaves so that I can place it more precisely to where I want it. I like the color of the note box, but thought it would be better to have it be a lighter color. This time I copied and pasted the white background box. I also created and updated a weekly reflection page, a fun savings page with the goal to save an extra $250, a sleep tracker, a habit tracker, a mood tracker, I love this daily planner. It has literally everything I think you could need on it. I like this date bar. It's an easy way to get all the date options onto one page. Did you know that the creamsicle was invented by an 11-year-old? Frank Epperson created it in 1905 when he was experimenting with putting fruit juice around vanilla ice cream. When he grew up, he started selling them commercially as popsicles. He then sold the rights to the company that came up with the creamsicle name. It's so appropriate that it was invented by a child. also had a second daily planner created. Where the first one is very detailed, this second one is not. This daily planner is good for jotting down your thoughts. For example, instead of time slots for everything, you can write down that you are working 10 to 3 today, or you have a doctor's appointment at 2. Hit the thumbs up button if you love orange and white together, and mark August 14th on your calendar as National Creamsicle Day. I also created and updated a daily reflection list, a to-be read list with a spot to write why you want to read the book, a brain dump to-do list, a to-do list with different priorities, a note page. Now it's time for you to create your own version, or visit my shop to purchase mine, which you can print or add to your PDF annotation app, such as GoodNotes.